Hey guys, welcome back to Toy Tengoku. I'm your host, Lindsay.
And I'm David.
And today we have the Nendoroid Robobot Armor Kirby. I think I said too many Bobobots in there.
But can you believe this is an Nendoroid? The box is absolutely massive.
So I was saying to David, like, we're kind of following the theme from last week of like a Nendoroid that's not really a Nendoroid.
Yeah, I mean...
but that's fine because he's super cool. So as you guys know, Kirby had a Nendoroid release a few years ago, and he used magnetic parts to make the arms move and came with several expressions. So it was really fun, really inventive on Good Smile's part. And now they've taken Kirby and evolved him into having his own mecha. And we're just going to take a look at that and kind of look at the pose ability, I guess you would say. I don't think that's actually a word, posability. The articulation. And this one is the one that comes with Nendoroid Kirby. There is another version that's just the robot if you don't want to pay a little extra.
And there is another one, without it. And this is just the basic model of the robot from the 3DS game, right? Mm-hmm. So I did a little bit of research.
Right.
It's got many different forms. But this is just probably the beam mode, or even the grabber mode. Obviously, there's other things like bomb mode, cutter mode, ESP mode, fire mode, halberd mode, ice mode, jet mode. He can eat things and absorb their energy and change into them. I mean, that's what Kirby's always been.
That's what it's always been about. Like, did you play the games growing up?
Yeah, I did, but only on handheld.
So I only knew Kirby through Super Smash Brothers.
Oh, right. Actually, yeah, probably that's the first time I saw him as well.
Really?
Yeah.
So I only played the original games recently. I bought the Famicom Mini and the Super Famicom Mini or Super Nintendo Mini, depending on where you are. Yeah. And I played the Kirby games on there. So but the first place I knew him from was Super Smash Brothers.
Yeah, to be honest, that's maybe why I think he was a bit lame at the time. I was like, because he's so weak on that game, on Smash Brothers.
But you can't kill him. Like, he just keeps flying back.
Oh, he keeps flying back because he's so light. But yeah.
But anyways, so let's crack him open and take a closer look.
And then afterwards, don't forget, we're going to give this
Kasumi
away. And we're going to tell you how you can win Kirby and his robot machine.
Here he is, Nendoroid More, Robobot Armor, and Kirby.
So Kirby's a he. I've never thought of this. This is an interesting question. In the comments, tell us, is it a he or a she?
I mean, I've always thought Kirby was a boy myself.
I've always thought it was
But I don't
girl.
think he has a gender, does he?
No, probably not.
So just showing off the box real quick, it's nice and colorful. There's no window on it, which I was surprised by. But maybe it's just simpler for them this way.
Yeah, it's quite a big box. I guess it would make it harder to produce.
All right, so here is the man himself with his mecha. Whoop. So Nendoroid Kirby himself is actually pretty small compared to other Nendoroids, but that's good in this case because otherwise this robot would be so big, you probably couldn't even afford him, to be honest. Like, this one's what? About...
What would you say, 1/24 scale?
I don't know.
How big is Kirby?
Nendoroids don't have scales, so
no.
I don't know.
But Kirby I imagine to be it's like, that type of big, little fat ball.
I don't know. Anyways, let's take him out. So we've got two stands in the bottom here, one for the robot and one for Kirby. I'm pretty sure we can stand him up by himself if we're careful. Kirby's attached in here by a little piece of tape. Look at him. Look how cute he is. Oh my god. So if you have an Nendoroid Kirby already, you probably already know this, but he has kind of a soft texture to him, and his hands and feet move with magnets.
Oh my god, that's awesome.
So you can freely move them anywhere around his body, make him look like he's jumping.
Oh.
So cute. Make him look like he's like stretching up.
I didn't know this.
You didn't know this?
This is so cool.
Right? So it's just a metal piece in the limbs, and his body's just a magnet, so you can literally like put these just about anywhere.
So if you had the other one...
Except this face.
So if you had the other one,
yeah,
the previous one of these, you could like have 4 legs or something.
You could, yes.
4
You could
feet.
use the limbs from the other Kirby. So if you also have the other Kirbys, you can use this face part. It just comes off in the middle there. I'm not going to open it up because I don't want any seam lines showing. But you just detach it like that and then put your limbs back on. So cute.
So cute. But the main... Oh, and obviously...
Oh
his
yeah,
little helmet.
and of course what's special about this guy is he comes with the helmet. You have to take off the hands to put this on, and it is worth it. Look at that.
Cute.
Look at his winning face.
But the real piece de la resistance is...
The Robobot Armor.
Look at that. And it comes with, as always, plastic.
Plenty of plastic.
You know, in Japan, you can buy a piece of chewing gum and they will put it in a bag for you.
Yeah.
Literally. But I mean, at least this is protecting your beloved figure, or mech, as it is.
Okay, there he is. And he's very top heavy. Now I can see why we need a figure stand for this, because I'm pretty sure he's gonna... Well,
sit down.
well, he's got these thrusters on the back, right? And so they were kind of holding him up, but otherwise he's just going to lean back. So you do need to make use of the Nendoroid stands.
2 of them.
And let's just look at Kirby again real quick. So to put him in the robot, you have to take off all of the limbs. And then he just sits right in there. Very cute.
Oh, he's got limbs now.
I'm just
So-
going to admire this for a sec.
Articulation.
Yes. Okay, so there's, I guess you would call this a double joint. So it's just a clear part right here in the... Jesus Christ. Please tell me I didn't hurt him. Don't show that part. There's no way to set him in properly.
You'd have thought they'd have put a magnet on his
Right,
bum.
right. Anyways, so there's like kind of a double joint system going on with this clear part here so that you can freely rotate the shoulder and then the arm part
It's really
separately.
flexible.
And it
Does a
rotates
360?
all the way around so you can pose it however you like. The hand goes
Looks
back
like,
and forth.
it looks like the digits
It-
move, but they don't. I think that's a solid piece, isn't it?
Let's see. So the hand parts don't move. You can see from this seam line here that this is actually a solid piece despite how it...
Looks and... Lindsay's trying to prise it apart.
Well, I just had to be absolutely sure. Same goes with the thumb. That is one solid piece. The rotation here is just like this. So not much to that. On the side here, we've got the cute star mark. On the back here, we've got a pretty simple, color scheme going on, but it gets the job done. These also rotate, so that's fun. Oof. I'm trying not to eject Kirby from the cockpit.
Yeah, they... Just to note, they didn't put a magnet on his bum, so he
Yeah.
actually is totally free.
He's just a ball in here, so do not tip him over.
But he
will
has
fall.
got a cute seat. Let's look at the underneath.
Right,
Star
so
sign
there's
and
the
a control panel.
control panels right there.
I wonder what the star does. Is that the kill?
The kill button. Well, Kirby is a little murderous. Can he go on with his feet on? Let's see.
Or maybe that would help him like sit in there a bit more.
You know what?
He
I
may
don't-
do.
He do. He
He
may
do.
do.
There
So
we go.
he can fit in with his feet on. It might help you to give him just a little bit of height there to
Booster.
show off his baby booster, to show off his face a little more. So that's neat. But I think the limbs would be too much.
And the feet are also very movable. And ball joint here as well.
Of course, it's pretty limited in how you can pose them just because it's such a bulky robot.
It doesn't move that much in the real game anyway. So.
But I mean, the point is for display more than anything. So just pick a pose you like, get
And
your
get
Kirby
him.
in there. Let's take his helmet off, and then we can go yeah. Anyways, so there he is in his victory pose, looking like a little badass in pink. Put his helmet right there.
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah.
not much to say about this, but I mean, just
So
look at
cute.
it. It is like,
This is just a big pink badass robot. He will
Okay.
murder you. So that was Nendoroid Kirby from the Kirby Planet Robobot game.
yeah, I
I
mean,
said it right that time.
hopefully that doesn't happen to us on planet Earth, you know, robots coming smashing down. But then again, if you could defeat one and be able to use it, it'd be awesome, wouldn't it? That's what he does.
I don't know if I'd want Kirby on my planet, to be honest. I think he'd just go around sucking
mean,
up everything.
Originally, all these robots came falling down. This is in the game. And Kirby kicked one of their asses and jumped into the robot and it turned pink.
That's how it happened.
Yeah, literally. So, yeah, there you go. If you want a pink robot, we got one here for you. And you can win this. So, if you would like to win Kirby and his robot suit, then all you have to do is go to hobbylink.tv, comment down below.
On this
and-
episode.
On this episode, yes. And we'll pick one at random. But please, if you're watching it from YouTube, then make sure you click on the link below this episode and head over to hobbylink.tv to have your chance to enter.
Yeah, we do appreciate your comments on YouTube too,
Yeah.
though. And be sure to like and subscribe as well.
Like, for instance, on YouTube, just comment away. You can have a conversation with people. But try to not make multiple comments on this
well,
video.
of course, because we'll consider that as
Cheating,
a bit
maybe?
cheating.
I mean, replies are okay.
Of course, replies
Yeah.
are fine. But if you comment multiple times, you know, it can kind of come off as entering multiple times.
Yeah.
But anyways, we do look forward to your comments. We read them all and
Literally.
we answer them when we can if there's a question especially.
Yeah.
So we are looking at those and we appreciate them
And
a
suggestions or anything like that.
Yeah.
Like, should I change my hair color, like, again or something? But yeah.
lot. It looks really nice right now, actually. But yeah, on that note, let's give away Figma
Yes.
Kasumi.
As always, Lindsay's got her Keitai with her.
I've got the winner right here. Just let me pull up the screen. Okay, the winner of Figma Kasumi from Dead or Alive is Zegok Jedi 999, who said, "This would look great in my DOA collection." It would look great in your DOA collection.
I wonder what else
And
he's
it
got.
will look
He or
great.
she's got.
Yeah, send us a picture of your DOA collection, you know, we'd like to see it.
Yeah, I mean, we
I'm
could,
guessing you have just other scale figures, maybe? Posters, wall scrolls, keychains.
Has Figma done any other DOA figures?
No,
Probably not.
she's the first.
First one. Okay. You
A
probably-
lot of people were actually asking about or commenting about that they'd like to see other characters from the show.
You definitely said that last week. I'm not paying attention.
It's fine.
Okay, yeah. So, Lindsay,
Yes.
how can they find us online?
I'm glad you asked, David, because according to this page, you can find us on Tumblr, Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram, and links to all of those are on hlj.com.
Cool. And yeah, check them out. I for the first time checked out Tumblr today. Actually,
For the first time.
I think it's
How
got
dare
a cool way of setting things out because like Twitter's like right down the middle, and Facebook's just Facebook.
Yeah, we have our special Tumblr page which
Yeah.
lays out everything all nicely, or you can just look at it on your timeline, and it does do the stream.
Like there's quite a big community on there as well. So.
Yeah, and the nice thing about Tumblr is it lets you put up to 10 images, so you can just go to town and
yeah.
show off a whole bunch. But anyways, We do, post about
On
products,
everything.
news there. We post about original content, so check us out.
Yeah, cool. And look forward to seeing us in the future, like maybe feature a bit of the upcoming All Japan
Japan
hobby
model
show.
and hobby show.
Yeah, we just put a special page up on the main site. So,
Yes.
well, a week ago, if you're watching this.
It's a lot of models, but
Yeah.
some of those are sci-fi or like
Pokemon,
Nekobuso,
yeah.
Pokemon too.
Yeah.
So lots
So,
of
yeah.
fun stuff.
Anyway, so we'll catch you next week, and please come and check us out. See you.
See ya.